If you're setting up TikTok Shop and need a business bank account fast, this is the one that I personally use, Bluevine. I've tried multiple business bank accounts over the past few years, and here are the 6 reasons why I stuck with Bluevine instead of a traditional business bank. Plus, I'll show you how to apply for it step by step in just a few minutes. The first reason is that you can set up the account 100% online. So you don't need to go to a physical bank location, schedule an appointment with a business banker, and then waste hours of your time sitting there. With Bluevine, the online application takes just a few minutes, and in my experience, I was approved on the same day. So it's a huge time saver. Second reason is that there's no monthly maintenance fees. So a lot of traditional banks charge some form of monthly fees unless you meet a certain requirements. A common one is that you need to maintain a minimum balance requirements, so you need to always maintain a certain amount of funds in your account. The fees may not seem like a lot in the beginning, but it definitely adds up over time. So paying hundreds of dollars extra a year just to have a bank account just doesn't make sense. So with Bluevine, you never have to deal with that, so I think that's a huge benefit. Third reason is that you get unlimited transactions. This is important if you have a lot of transactions or process a lot of payouts, so you never have to worry about hitting transaction limits or getting charged extra as your business grows. Another big plus is that most business bank accounts doesn't pay you any interest at all, but Bluevine does. So you can actually earn interest on the money sitting in your account. The fifth reason is that your funds are FDIC insured of up to $3 million, which is 12 times more than the $250,000 limit that most other business banks provide. So this gives you a peace of mind knowing that your money is safe. The last one is that you can set up additional sub-accounts right inside of your online portal. So that means you can set up additional bank accounts with a different account number. So let's say if you want to set up a separate account for taxes, for example, or a separate account for payroll, you can easily do that in minutes without needing to go to a physical bank location like you would with a traditional bank. So those are the reasons why I think Bluevine is a great choice for business banking. Now let me walk you through the entire application process step by step. It only takes a few minutes. If you use the direct link I've listed in the description below, you can follow along on the same page I'm on. And once you are on this page, we can click on Open Account. And you would just need to fill in your entity type. So in this example, let me go with LLC. If you operate in your own personal name, then you can pick the sole proprietor option. Enter your first and last name. Enter your email address, your phone number. You would need to create a password. Click this checkbox, and then just click on Get Started. So on this page, you would just need to provide some details about your business. So we can enter our legal business name. So if you are a sole proprietor, so this would be just your first and last name. Enter your business address, your work phone number. You can input your website if you have one. If not, you can leave it blank. Enter your annual revenue. Now, if you don't have revenue yet because you are a new business, you can enter a projected annual revenue. So for this example, I would just go with 36,000. And here you would need to enter your tax ID or your EIN. And if you're operating as a sole proprietor, then this will be your social security number. And we are going to select the industry. The closest category that I find is retail trade. So let's go with that. And let's come to the sub-industry and look for the most fitting category. So the most fitting one I find is general merchandise retailers. So let's go with that. And for number of employees, let's go with none for now. Click on next. And in this page, you would just need to verify information about yourself. So you can enter your first name, last name, and your home address, your date of birth, and your social security number. And enter the percentage of business owned by you. So I'll just go with 100. Then let's check this checkbox and then click on continue. And then on this page, you would just need to verify your mobile number. So once you do that and enter your verification code here, and you can click on verify and continue, and then you'll be able to submit your application. And you should hear from them pretty quickly. In my experience, I was approved within the same day. And for some people, I've heard it's the next following day. So I would pay attention to your email. That's how they contact you. And that's how you can keep track of your progress of your application. So that was the walkthrough of the Bluevine application process and the reasons why I choose Bluevine as my main business banking. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing, and I hope to see you in the next video.